How to change the image quality on the Canon EOS M50 Mark I. First, you need to click on Menu. The menu button can be found here. You click on the menu button and then we go into the photography menu and the first one. Now already on top we see that there is image quality, and in my case L is selected. Now we click on this and now you can select two different things. The first is RAW. What kind of RAW images do you want to record? You can now either just record RAW, just JPEG, or both simultaneously. If you don't want any of these types to be recorded, then you click on the minus. If the minus is selected, this means the image is not recorded in this format. If we now want to select one, then if we now want to select normal RAW, then we would go like this. If we wanted to select CRAW and also store the files in CRAW, then it would be like this. Now, if we don't want to record any RAW files, then again we go here. Now, nothing is recorded, but I don't think that actually works. So we go on L in the biggest quality, in a less quality. So we have these three distinctions. We have S, M. So S has 3 different levels, M has 2 levels, a more big, so basically a bigger version and a smaller version, and the same works in L. If you want to have images about 2 to 3 megabytes or maybe 2 to 4 megabytes, then L works kind of best, and JPEG now is the already printed out image. Now of course it won't be printed out on this camera, but think of the image as this here. RAW is the raw camera data, which also can be edited more easily afterwards in Lightroom, for example, and the JPEGs on the other hand is already what you would export out of Lightroom. You cannot change that much any longer. And this is how you change the settings. Now, an additional thing is if you wanted to record 2 different formats simultaneously. This could be, for example, if you wanted to record RAW for editing, but also already have the images available on your SD card and give them to the client directly afterwards. So you could, for example, use your own editing for maybe potential future work or advertisement, and then give the images to the client who prefers maybe already the JPEGs on the same day. And so this would be an option that works like this. I currently again choose to not record RAW, even though I did for years, and now we click on OK, and then we go back to the main screen.